Hello, in today's lesson we are going to see the difference between be going to and the present continuous. We use be going to talk about future plans, but we don't know when or where. Like for example, today I am going to meet the school principal, which means I have made plans to see him, but I still don't know when or where. On the other hand, I use the present continuous for future plans that are almost definite. Like for example, I'm meeting the school principal today. I know exactly when and where I will meet him. This plan is almost definite. So remember, be going to indefinite plans, present continuous definite plans.